Welcome to SKU Science. In this video, I'll walk you through how to compute forecasts at an aggregate level, a great way to improve accuracy by leveraging group data. Here, we're looking at forecasts at the part number level. Each forecast is based on a specific method and a set of parameters tailored to that combination. You'll notice we also have a family field assigned to each item. As you can see, each item belongs to a different family. To forecast at a higher level, such as by family, we first need to organize the data accordingly. I'll start by selecting the family field from the aggregation tool. Then, I can sort the families by their ABC classification. For example, family 4 stands out. It has the highest volume, with 1845 units forecasted in May. Then, we will have to save this by clicking on this disk icon that says Save Aggregation Config, name it as family, and save. Now, I'll compute the forecast at the family level by simply clicking on this computation button. Make sure that it is marked. Compute forecast from aggregation and choose family. Then click confirm and launch. In the background, the system recalculates the forecasts. Once complete, you'll see the updated values, now rolled up to the family level. Here's family 4 again, and now its forecast is more consistent and robust. In the Navigator section, the forecast methods are also updated across the board, because the computation now comes from the family level. If I want to revert to the low-level forecast computation method, I just click on the Forecast Computation tool and uncheck the option Compute Forecast from Aggregation, then confirm and launch. Just like that, I'm back to the default method with all forecasts recalculated at the detailed level. That's it. That's how you can compute forecasts at an aggregate level or at the default level. Thanks for watching.